guys, it's Mama from Mama and Kids Reactions. Today we're going to do a Martel, Love of My Life. It's a Queen cover. I love Queen. And somebody made a comment on one of my Queen songs that we've done. And it's like, you got to check out Martel. So that's what we're doing. So become part of Mama's family. Like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Patreon, Instagram, Twitter, email, donation, tip jar, all in the description below. Also, I'm a published author now, so go to Vocal Media. You will find my work. It's all nonfiction, truly stuff that happened while I was in a relationship that was toxic and abusive. The impact on me and my kids and the struggle with mental illness is what the stories are about. So, that being said, let's get to it.
Well, I am a sucker for a good ballad, and this is one of my favorites. It's Love of My Life by Queen.
I love the piano. He sounds like Freddie.
Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, don't leave me. You've stolen my love and now desert me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. This is blown over and everything's all by the way. Ooh, when I grow older, I will be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. I still love you.
Killer on that piano.
Hurry back, please bring it back home to me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, love of my life. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, there is no way you can convince me that he is not Freddie Mercury reincarnate. Oh my God, they sound so much alike. That was crazy. Like, I was not, like, the guy that left the comment, he warned me that they said, but I wasn't expecting this. Oh my God, there's no way that he is not Freddie Mercury reincarnated, because I'm going to play for my mother, who is a major Queen fan, this song, and not let her see and tell me if she thinks it's Queen or somebody else. Because I don't think she's gonna be able to tell the difference, because I know I sure couldn't. But you know, I'm not. I mean, I'm a Queen fan, but I'm not over the top Queen fan. Which, don't hate on me for that. I mean, I love Queen. Don't get me wrong, I do. But she's more of a fan than I am. Like, she's like, whoa, kind of fan. I'm not that kind of fan for anybody. I'm more mellow. But, anyways, that was amazing. We will be listening to more of him. I love Freddie Mercury. I love this guy. So, till next time. Bye.